Heavy-duty construction on this rod bucket sets it apart from the competition. From top to bottom, this bucket is designed to move huge chunks of concrete while sifting through debris and leaving the dirt behind. Super strong steel rods with ideal spacing capture big debris and sift the dirt, saving you weight and thousands of dollars in cost when disposing of debris. Independent grapples give added security, strength, and gripping for uneven loads. Powered by two 3,000-pound cylinders, complete with protective cylinder guards, this bucket can grapple big, uneven chunks of concrete and hold them tight. Replaceable, heat-treated tips give long-lasting durability and superior braking power. If you're in the demolition business, the Quick Clear is a must-have to increase productivity and boost profits. By sifting out the dirt and its added weight, the Quick Clear will save you serious cash and give you quick payback when disposing of concrete. The name says it all. Get the Quick Clear to make fast work of clearing and demolition sites.
A.M. Leonard, experience what thousands of other horticultural professionals already know. Great tools, great service, great value.